Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video with your boy Cameron. Today, I'm doing something a little bit different. I normally do house tours or TikToks or Today, I'm going to show you my dog I recently got. So yeah, let's get it. See, right now I'm just outside chilling. I've gone to shade because I can't see it properly. So yeah. Alright, now I'm in the shade. I can show you my dog. Her name is Bess. She's a Staffy. And look at her. Bessie, say hi. Say hi, Bessie. She's a little bit shy. So yeah. Bessie, come here. This is my dog. Bessie, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah, she's a little bit shy. Yeah. So today, I'm not also going to show you my dog. I got some house things, like I need to do some stuff. Set this up, and yeah, let's start with the snipper up. Actually, I'll move it down a little bit so you can see me start with the snipper. I'm actually new to doing these videos, so tell me what you want to see and I'll do it. So let's get started on the lawnmower up, shall we? I got my whip snipper here. Yeah. So I'm gonna place it right here. Start it up. So what you need to do is like this little thing. Right here, like right here, just push on that. Make sure it's all the way down. All you need to do, I put my leg on it. All you do is need to start it up. Me, I'll warm it up. Up. Sometimes it doesn't start straight away, so yeah. I'll come back to you when it starts. Okay, so let it warm up just for a little bit. Sorry, Bess. Basically what I'm doing, I'm just cleaning the edges right here. That's what I have to do. So yeah, this video is gonna be a long video. So if you can't hear me when I'm with the snipping, I'm sorry about that. I'll turn it off and I'll say the same thing. So make sure you can hear it. All right, let's get back to what we're doing. Betcha, one pull, betcha. Do it. Trim right here. When you whip see me, make sure you got glasses on and something to protect you, but I don't got any of that. So yeah, so that's someone snipping. My dog actually likes doing snipper. So yeah, I'm back inside. I checked the picture, there's no picture yet. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, it's for free. Hit that like button. I want to see if this video can be hit 500 likes. And I'll upload a better and new one. I posted one today. It's a bedroom tour. If it's not like on yet. I know I said I'll do the haircut. I made this Zen Cobra haircut. Made myself. So yeah. Hit that like button, subscribe, turn that little bell on so you can see when I post new videos. And see ya.